In this video, I will show you how to edit a motion array intro template. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. What's up guys, my name is Kyle from GuideWise. In Motion Array, search for intro template. Select the editing software program that you are using. You then have filters on the left that can help refine your search. When you have found the intro that you like, download it and unzip that file. To unzip your file, simply double-click on Unzip and then your file will be unzipped. Open that file and go to the project file, which is usually proj. Double-click or right-click and open with your selected editing program. On the left, you will see your files. If you select Edit Placeholders, you will see color, logo, music, shots, titles. If you select the second file, you will see Export Edit. If you drag that final edit file onto your timeline, you will have a completed intro, which makes it easier for you to edit. Double-click that file, and if the files are locked, simply select the lock in the left to unlock it. You can then double-click the text and change it to whatever it is you need to add. For this, I will just add my name, Kyle. And if you go back to the final edit and play it, you'll now see Kyle added. You can do that again for all the other text placements in the timeline. To add your own logo, look for the logo file, select it, delete it, and add your own logo. Once you import your file, it will appear on the left. You can then drag your file to where that previous logo file was. And now if I play through my timeline, I will see my new logo added. Once you are happy with your edit and are ready to export it, simply select File in the top left corner and scroll down to Export. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.